My luxury touring seat has now arrived for the Interceptor, which I have here in front of me. There she is. Nice little Enfield tag on there. It's got this kind of faux stitching here. I don't think it's real stitching, but yeah, it looks nice. Nice bit of detail. Hopefully, should be a very simple process to switch that out for the original seat. So we'll do that right now. Right, well, it's pretty straightforward to remove the seat on these. First of all, just got to remove the right side panel. That just pulls away there. A couple little rubber grommets at the top. Put that aside for one moment. So the toolkit there, all you've got to do is pull this little seat release lever here, and that just pops the seat up, and away she comes. So there it is, the original seat. Looks nice, but as I said on my first ride and second ride of the bike, it is particularly uncomfortable. Okay, on with the new one. So the key thing is to make sure you've got these little lugs here underneath the rear section of the tank there. They just kind of like slot in, a little bit stiff. Give a little push down at the back, and that actually is it. It's in place. And now just replace the side panel. Those two little rubber grommets there. Push it in. That's it. Oh, nearly. There you go. Side panel on. Job done. A 1 minute job. So yeah, I think even cosmetically it's a slight improvement on the standard seat. But the main thing is that it needs to be a lot more comfortable. It's obviously a lot more padded. It's quite a bit thicker than the original seat. And looking down from the top, this sort of area here is slightly wider. The other one is quite narrow. That was giving me quite a lot of pain actually between the legs. But next thing to do now, of course, is get out on the bike and test it and see what I think. So here's the two seats, kind of one above the other, so you can get a feeling for the different thickness. So the padding is quite a bit thicker on the luxury touring seat. So I'm sure that's going to make a lot of difference to the ride. Just pop the original seat in that Royal Enfield bag for safekeeping. Keep that just in case I have any issues with the new seat, but I'm sure I won't. Job done. Yeah, quite happy with that. Very nice.